Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I am Vera. In this video, I want to show you how to enable RAM extensions on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 and Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. Okay, to add RAM extend or virtual RAM on your Redmi Note 14 and Redmi Note 14 Pro, first thing first, open your settings menu and then go to additional settings, click it. Next, you open memory extension, click it. And now you can add virtual RAM on your device until 8 GB. Next, we choose 8 GB like this. Reboot device, reboot your device to a play change, click reboot. And wait a minute, your phone already turned on. Okay, I will check. Open your settings menu. Next, open memory extension. And successfully you can see my virtual RAM is 8 GB. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.